let's talk about contact targeting on LinkedIn ads. So as you know, in LinkedIn ads, we can do account-based targeting as well as contact-based targeting. So let's talk how we can target by contacts on LinkedIn ads. Under the plan section, go into the audiences. Here, click on create audience and click on matched audience. Click on company and contact option here and click on next. You have to upload the contact list here as a CSV file. So there is a contact list template here that you can download. You can name your list here and then you can upload that list. So if you look at the contact list template, there are different options here: email, first name, last name, job title, employee company, country, Google ID. So apart from this last option, Google ID, it is better to have as many fields as possible. So it's better to have the email, first name, last name, job title, employee company, and the country, because as more information or more fields you will fill, the better would be the match rate. Also, if you have the personal email, that will be much more better in terms of match rate, because most people log into LinkedIn with their personal emails. So the match rates would be much better with the personal email. Also, in order to run campaigns on LinkedIn, you need to have minimum 300 audience size in order to run the campaigns on LinkedIn. So there are certain requirements which they have mentioned here. One is that the maximum file size could be 20 MB, and they have mentioned that the uploads should be between 20,000 to 3 lakhs so that you can have a good match rate. Again, that your match rates would depend upon the quality of the list that you would upload. So it could be between 65% to 90%. In account-based targeting, you can get 100% match rate because you can upload the LinkedIn company page URL, but there is no option for that. So the match rate somewhere is around 65 to 90%. Again, when you upload a list of contacts, normally you don't have to apply a layer of audience attributes because these are the exact contacts you want to target. So this is how you can do contact-based targeting on LinkedIn. Thanks so much.